So Z's about to take a trip because this guy is sick as shit. He sure is acting like it. See, you don't seem good, man. You don't seem good. Over here.
See, I mean, sometimes
And the whole thing lifts up.
Yeah, that's what I'm just gonna do. Hi, boo-boo. So, you know, I use fairly decent sized towel, and with all the stuff that's in his cage, he's going to take a minute to collect because you can have a lot of stuff that's in the way. You can always take perches out and such in order to make it a little easier on yourself. If you take perches out, then usually all they can do is be on the side. So I'm just going to, now when I collect him, I feel his shoulders, but I actually go up to his head. See how I do that? And now the rest of my hand is kind of open, okay? So really what I'm doing, I'll show you, is underneath here, you can get a smaller towel than this, is I'm holding him like this around the neck, and the rest of my hand is open. And then the towel is laying on him. So the towel is keeping his wings and stuff together, okay?
Okay. So you just keep him wrapped the whole time?
Yes, that's exactly right. Let me look at him, we'll do the physical first. I'm going to take him out of the towel for my physical, you won't take him out of the towel, okay? Right. I'm only doing it so I can see his physical exam a little bit better. Looking at his eyes and his ears, his beak and his cere up here and in the oral cavity. Feeling his chest. We need to get a weight on him too, I forgot about that. Can you run real quick and get the scale with any box that you can find in there? Thank you.
He's just like, he's not a fan of being touched.
No, most budgies aren't.
When I first got him, he loved to be touched, actually.
Well, you know, if you don't do a certain type of taming and you don't clip their wings and stuff, they stop liking that, you know. This stuff you're not going to do, just so you know. You're not going to give him a shot.
I understand.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I know. I know. Thanks. I just need you to pull his leg a little bit so I can do his injection of fluids. You can put that anywhere you want for right now. We'll do the last on him. Just take that leg out. I didn't get any alcohol back. Really good. Put a little bit of fluid on him first. Get you a little wet, huh? Sorry, Benny. Just hydrate you a little bit. Okay. Now here's how you're going to medicate him. So let's say you're holding him in the towel, in the wash rag. Remember that the rag is going to hold his wings and feet. You're going to bring him against you. So you're basically going to hold him, if you're right-handed, you hold him with your left hand. You hold under here, all the way around his neck with your finger and thumb in a circle, okay? And then you tilt him. They have this little ramp down here in their beak. It goes in. So you go side, not here. Don't go here because they'll just put their tongue right in there. You go here, okay? About a 45-degree angle, and you dribble, okay? When you dribble, it goes into the mouth through that ramp right there. Okay? That's the easiest way to do it. And then they'll usually swallow it. It's pretty tasty. Oh.
Well, Z definitely was not a fan of that. How did you like your first time in the vet, dude? Alright, dude, we're back.